Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the ultimate guide on how to sell your home in Newfoundland without a realtor. Commonly known as FSBO or for sale by owner, if you're looking to save on commissions and maintain full control over your sale, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Jay Schwartz, and although I love helping my clients navigate the real estate world and helping them achieve success, today I'm sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how to sell your home without a realtor for those who want to tackle the process themselves. And if this process seems a little overwhelming, you can always give me a call and we can have a conversation. Research and preparation. Before you list your home, decide how you want to approach the sale. Do you want to sell exclusively to buyers without agents? Or are you open to considering buyers with representation? Most buyers work with agents, and if you want them to consider your home, you may still want to offer a buyer's commission. Other things to consider when preparing your home for sale are there any improvements I can do to my home to increase the value? You also want to clean and declutter your home as much as possible. You want the home to be inviting, and you also want the buyer to imagine themselves in the home. Another thing to be prepared for is having your property tax receipts and your heat and light costs. These are often questions that buyers will have. Even though you've decided not to use a realtor, you will most definitely need a real estate lawyer. A lawyer can help you with all the necessary paperwork, everything from the agreement of purchase and sale to the deed of conveyance and the survey. And they'll help ensure that everything is legally sound. Determining your home's listing price is critical. Use comparative market analysis, such as looking at the sales price of homes similar in your neighborhood. And if you don't have access to the sales prices, then look at current active listings and what their listing price is in your neighborhood. If you are not confident in your ability to price your home yourself, then consider hiring someone to do a professional appraisal. This will give you a very accurate price to work with. Compare your home with similar properties and ask yourself, is my home priced to sell in today's market? A clean, well-staged home helps buyers visualize themselves in the property. Now it's time to get your home ready. Don't forget to use by decluttering, good photography, depersonalizing, or even making necessary repairs. Enhancing your property on multiple platforms. Professional photography. You can use flat fee MLS services dramatically such as propertyguys.com. Also use local classifieds like Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace, and even some traditional methods such as for sale signs, local newspapers. Digital marketing is the key, so leverage social media to spread the word. Your goal with your house listing is to achieve maximum visibility. So which platforms do you think are going to be the most useful to help you attract the most potential buyers here in Newfoundland?
People use nlhomefinder.ca, which has been praised for its ease of use.
As the seller, you will be taking on multiple roles, hosting showings and open houses, taking calls, be flexible with scheduling showings, and you'll also ensure your home is clean, well lit, doing the showings for every visitor. The buyer doesn't provide their own information sheets. You will want to be flexible honestly and create a comfortable environment. Make sure that your home is clean and ready to show, well lit and inviting. Greet your potential buyers warmly and provide information sheets and answer questions honestly. Negotiate confidently and know your bottom line. And always make sure that your lawyer reviews every piece of paperwork before closing. When offers start coming in, review them carefully. Look beyond the price, consider contingencies, closing dates, and financing. Once you've accepted an offer, have your lawyer review all documents before finalizing the sale. FSBO versus using a realtor, pros and cons. Let's quickly break down some of the key advantages and disadvantages of selling your home on your own versus using a realtor. Pros of for sale by owner. Potential savings on commissions. You avoid paying the listing agent's commission, though remember you may still need to cover the buyer's agent fee. Greater control. You handle every aspect of the sale, from pricing and staging to negotiating directly with buyers. Personal involvement. Some sellers enjoy hands-on and feel that they know their home and their neighborhood best. Cons of for sale by owner. Lower sales price. Data shows FSBO homes can sell for 5 to 6% less, and in some cases even up to 30% less than sold with an agent. Longer time on market. FSBO properties often take significantly longer to sell, sometimes up to 2.5 times longer than agent-assisted homes. Increased stress and workload. Handling everything from marketing and showings to paperwork and negotiations can be overwhelming. Studies suggest only about 11% of FSBO attempts succeed without eventually hiring an agent. Reduced exposure. Without the reach of the MLS and professional marketing, your home might not attract as many potential buyers. So now that we've gone over every step of the process, the pros and the cons, the decision is in your hands. Ultimately, it's up to you whether you want to sell your home yourself or hire a realtor. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you found it helpful, entertaining, or mildly tolerable, then please hit that like button. And if you want more real estate tips, market updates, or you just want to hear my voice again, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in the metro area and you want to work with me, then all my links are in the description below. Let's connect. Thanks for watching, and remember, real estate doesn't need to be stressful as long as you got the right agent.